Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the EXTRCT opcode in IBM RPGLE. In this video, we'll delve into the details of using EXTRCT to extract information like date, month, year, hour, minute, second, and so on. Before we dive into the example, let's understand the declarations in the program: date 0, date, D1 5-digit, D2 2-digit, D3 2-digit, time 0 time, T1 2-digit, T2 2-digit, T3 2-digit, time STP0 timestamp, STP 6-packed decimal. Now let's explore how to use the EXTRCT opcode to extract information like date, month, year, hour, minute, second, etc. Firstly, get the system date into variable date 0 by moving date. Then, to extract only the year from date 0, mention date 0, Y on the factor 2 of EXTRCT. Similarly for month, mention date 0, M, and for day, mention date 0, D. Then, get the system time into variable time 0 by moving time. To extract the hour from time 0, mention time 0, H, 4 minutes, mention time 0, MN, and for seconds, mention time 0, F. When you need to get the milliseconds, then use time STP0, MS. In conclusion, the EXTRCT opcode in IBM RPGLE is essential for extracting current year, date, month, hour, minutes, seconds, etc. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on the EXTRCT opcode in IBM RPGLE by programmers.io. We hope you found it informative and useful for your programming task. If you have any questions or would like to explore more RPGLE topics, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IBM programming insight. Happy coding!